indie fashion tip of the day. So I was finding all these beautiful sequin pieces, vintage, that may have been like had a hole in them, like they weren't, or they were like a weird body. And what I started to do was cut them apart. And because you cannot sew these on a machine, you will break your needle. We started stitching them together. So you can see this is one of the more elaborate ones. This is a dress. And my tip is like, listen, this is not for everyone, this piece, but somebody will look at this piece and appreciate it and be like totally like in love with the concept and with the idea and with the story. And then what they might do is purchase a piece like this, which is not as hard of a piece to wear, but they can still have a like a little piece of your story, which especially in the sustainable, upcycle, recycle, this environmentally conscious world we're living in, this is a very valuable asset to have as a designer. If you're doing something that people can relate to, and it makes the client not feel as bad about purchasing, right? Because not only are they helping like an indie designer, but they're also helping the environment. And they're getting, look at this fabulous piece. So add the crazy piece, do the over the top piece, have a story with it. Whatever your story is, my story, these are called Love Back to Life. They're basically discarded pieces, discarded fabrics, discarded jackets, and other items that couldn't be worn that I have brought back to life. So I have loved these garments back to life, and the story helps sell the concept, which makes it more interesting for the client. I hope this helps. Let me know how it goes. Tell me your stories.